What seems to be going on tonight?
Nothing. We're about to leave. We're about to go home.
Okay.
So, we're fine. We're definitely arguing and being loud, and I apologize. It's me. I'm screaming at him, so...
Nothing got physical?
No, never. He's a really good boyfriend. It's me. I want to go home, back to Michigan, so... I don't want to do this. Yeah, so I don't want to do this anymore, be here. So we went on that bourbon tour and definitely screaming at each other. So I do apologize.
That's okay.
I feel bad for everybody.
What will happen?
Nothing. We just built up anger from Michigan that we thought this trip would help us, and it obviously didn't.
Okay.
So we're ready to kind of go home.
I got you.
So I apologize.
Hello, how are you?
Doing well. How you doing?
Good. I think we just had, I don't know if you were here or...
I was.
Okay. They're back still arguing. It spilled out into the hallway, fighting.
You physically saw them fighting?
I guess one of them says they have a cracked lip open. So we are going to request, since this is now the third time, that they go ahead and just be removed, if that's all right.
Okay.
So,
Too easy.
if you guys don't mind, I'm sorry. Hate to do that.
It's all good. Are you drinking more in there?
Oh, yeah.
You seem like you're a little bit more intoxicated.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, what's going on?
Just... I don't want to break.
Does he want to break up with you? Is that what's going on? Okay. What happened in there? I think you guys were arguing again.
We weren't, though, actually.
I heard there was yelling at least. So what happened since we were last here?
Nothing. Normal. We were fine.
You sure?
Yeah, 100%. Like, we weren't fighting or anything.
Can you tell me what happened? You said nothing at all happened. I just need you to tell me what.
No, sir. No, sir.
You're not going to tell me?
He's... Do you hear him? He's saying nothing. He cheated on me with this girl. I'm sorry.
I understand, but...
I'm sorry.
Paige, you gotta listen to me. You gotta listen
I'm
to me.
sorry. He cheated on me.
I understand that I was wrong. But Paige...
I'm sorry, I'm not trying to walk away from you.
There's good ways to handle things, and there's very bad ways to handle things.
And we've been doing this for 2 months. He's such a good boyfriend.
Mm-hmm.
He's the best boyfriend I have ever had in my entire life.
Mm-hmm.
I've never had a better boyfriend. I'm so sorry. And he did. He cheated on me.
So what happened since we left? Because I know that when I saw you go to the door,
He cheated on me.
you wanted to hug him, and he didn't want you to touch him. So I saw that part, and then the door closed. So
Yeah.
what happened?
Can I show you? Am I allowed to show?
What is that? What am I looking at?
My bruises.
So, Paige, we're gonna have to figure out a game plan tonight, okay?
We're fine. We're
I
going home.
don't think so, because here's the deal: the hotel staffers.
They want us to leave. They want us to leave, and we're okay with leaving.
I understand. Hold on, Paige.
I don't want y'all to think that we're not okay with leaving. We were packing,
Paige.
and we weren't even fighting.
Paige.
Got called.
Can you let me finish, Paige?
Yes.
All right,
Yes,
so
sir.
your boyfriend is packing up everything in the room right now.
Mm-hmm.
All right, he's good on the fact that you guys have to leave.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so you're
Okay.
trespassed from the building, and we're going to make sure you leave.
Okay.
So
yes, sir.
here's the deal, though. This has been going on all night. This is the second time we've got called
This
out
is
here.
the 3rd night.
This is the second time we've been called out here to talk to you
y'all,
guys.
You've seen my bruises. Sorry.
He doesn't like to get touched.
But he's seen my bruises.
I know.
You've seen. I
All
mean,
right,
I
but
can show you.
here's the thing that I was understanding, Paige, is that I was being told, okay? Your boyfriend said he didn't want you to touch him, and then you touched him.
But
and
it's
he
okay to.
grabbed you and pushed you off.
But
of
it's
him.
okay to smack somebody in the face.
You got smacked in the face.
Oh yeah.
What by who?
Did it hurt?
No. I'm
But
thug.
why did you get smacked in the face?
I mean, that's who he is.
You just told me he was the best guy in the world. Why are you telling me now they beat you?
I mean, that's not beating. In Detroit, you think that's beating?
Well,
I love it.
Oh, so it's a
Hell yeah.
okay.
It's kind of hot.
Okay, so then it's something else. All right.
In Detroit, it's a little different. Y'all don't kind of know. Get off your phone. What is homeboy doing?
He's doing his job.
I mean, I've been pulled over by
Paige,
a million cops.
You're being rude to my partner, and we're being.
I apologize. I am so sorry. Am I being?
That was really rude to talk to my partner.
I apologize. I'm so sorry.
All right. Paige, we gotta figure out a game plan tonight because this is the second time
We're
got called
going
out
home.
here. You can't because neither of you can drive. So he's gonna find a different place to stay tonight, and I think it would be best if you found a different place to stay tonight.
I don't have any money. All my money is his. So we have to stay together.
No, not necessarily. You can get 2 different rooms and sleep in 2 different beds tonight because clearly being intoxicated right now.
I'm gonna make a call real quick.
Yeah. Hey, hold up, Paige. If you want to sit down, we don't have any chairs out here though.
Oh, it's okay. I'm a thug. I'm from Detroit. I'm gonna get.
That's what you keep saying.
I'm such a fighter.
You're a fighter.
I'm
Who are you fighting?
Myself.
What do you mean you fight yourself?
Stop. This is why I hate the police. This is why.
Oh, it is?
It is.
You hate me?
No, I don't hate you.
Okay,
You're super sweet.
Oh, but you just yelled at me. You got an attitude with me, Paige.
No, I got an attitude
Because I'm asking you questions?
The Detroit cops are a little different than y'all.
Okay. Well, Paige,
Okay.
so here's the thing I don't like. When I'm being here and nice to you, and I'm being very, very friendly, and I'm just concerned about your
You are.
well-being, and
You
then
are.
you snap at me like that,
No, you're
and you
so
cuss at me.
I apologize.
So we
No
need to be
cussing.
on. You did cuss at me, Paige.
I apologize.
So here's what we're not gonna do. No,
Cussing.
you lost your
Cussing?
handshaking privileges.
No.
Yeah, you
No.
cussed at me. You're
Do
getting
you
an attitude
hear
snap
that?
at me. Hear what?
Do you hear that? My Alabamian. I'm not going to jail.
Oh, I just gotta walk you downstairs. We just gotta escort you down. We'll go in the elevator, okay?
I'm not going to jail though.
No one's going to jail right now.
Correct? I'm not going to jail.
You sure you don't have her driver's license? She definitely does need her driver's license right now, bud. Hey, ma'am, you said get off of him. You gotta get off of him.
He's giving me a phone.
He said get off of him. Ma'am, stop.
No.
Relax
Paige?
your ass.
Paige, I'm holding your
walking
arms. Don't pull.
I know.
Okay?
Never.
You the same page?
Yeah.
Alright. Alright. Keep your hands behind your back. Stop.
Why did you?
Because you're touching him without his consent and you're pulling away from me. At this point, I'm going to place you in cuffs. You are being detained right now, okay?
I didn't touch you without consent.
He was telling you to stop touching him.
Oh, I apologize. He's my boyfriend.
Doesn't mean that you can touch someone who's you're dating without their consent.
Why is he not arrested?
Alright, because the entire time, Paige, he was trying to get away from you. You were touching him without his consent. That's called
I
harassment,
apologize.
physical contact.
No,
Alright.
he
I want to
accepted
explain
it.
something. I know you're intoxicated, but just because you're married or dating somebody doesn't give you the consent to do things to them when they don't want you to, okay? They're still human beings.
100%.
Alright, so when he says, please don't touch me, please don't kiss me, and you're kissing him and touching him, that is a crime.
100%.
That is
you
a crime.
can ask him.
He was saying no.
You can ask
Alright.
him right now.
Alright, so Paige, at this point, so we're going to take you to jail tonight. You're under arrest for disorderly conduct, second degree, and public intoxication, first offense. Okay. I've been really cool with you tonight,
No,
Paige, but
you
there's
have.
no other
There's a
solution.
point.
There's no other solution for
There's
tonight.
a
Okay.
point.
Because
So I
if
appreciate.
we let
Am
you
I
leave,
allowed? No, I'm not.
If we let
I'm
you
not
leave
trying
tonight-
to coax.
yeah, if we let you leave tonight, it's just going to be the same problem again with you and
No,
your boyfriend.
no, there isn't. I'm leaving him. I need to go home. I need
Okay.
to go home to my mom.
We'll take care of you.
Can you call my mommy?
Yeah, we can call everybody. Okay.
No, I don't want to call my mommy.
All right, you're going to stand right there.